There's one you don't see every day. I actually found this at a garage sale today. A guy had a ton of 1/18 scale stuff that was pretty amazing, and he had a lot of stuff I wanted, but figures that the stuff I wanted the most were not for sale unless I wanted to pay a ridiculous amount of money. But I did fortunately get this one. Paid $50 for it. I thought that was a fair price for what it was. I haven't seen one on eBay before. I've seen the one with the orange bottom, but not the silver. So, at least today, it's actually my first time knowing that this even existed. So, let's take a look at it. So, I believe it's pronounced Guiloy Original Miniatures, made in Spain. So the original guy purchased it. No idea what that is, but it was 950 something. Maybe someone that's watching this video can figure that out. Huh. Apparently they used to make a bunch of stuff. I'm surprised I've never heard of this brand before. This box has seen better days. So that's supposed to be sort of a 3D effect. So it's incredibly dusty. I'm not sure if it's actually been displayed before, like, or at least loose. Ew. That is definitely not what the inside of a McLaren F1 looks like right there. Well, okay, so this is labeled as Prototype LM. So maybe in the prototype it's actually like that. Has a plastic base. Really loving that detail though through the engine bay. Break that free. So no gold foil inside there. Looks like just some stickers. Top of the engine. Saw this in the basement, so it looked a little bit more detailed. Obviously when opening it. Okay, at least the doors are proper. So it looks like we have a plastic interior with just some stickers on top of everything. I mean, it's not bad. I think I might have overpaid at 50. Though the ones with the orange bottom were consistently selling 50 plus ship. So I wonder if this is quite a bit more rare, or they just don't come up as often. So the steering wheel does turn. Check out them rotors, dudes. Oh god, I missed the 90s and the way they did rotors on everything. It's got some weight to it back there, jeez. Does it have it working? Oh, it's got working suspension. At least in the back. Oh, and the front. Cool. Huge F1 sticker in the back. Got some overspray right there. I don't know, guys. You tell me. Was this a good buy at 50 bucks, or did I overspend? Prototype. Ha, that's awesome. Yeah, there's a lot of overspray. I'm guessing this model wasn't too expensive when it came out, but it is. Guess this model probably wasn't too expensive when it came out, but it is actually really solid. Especially considering it has a plastic base. Let me get my auto art to compare it to. Okay, so I thought I'd get my TSM down. I said auto art, I think, but it's actually a TSM. Can't believe I confused the two. It is also the prototype. So these both say that they are the prototypes. For this guy, a lot more detail going on inside the compartment in the front. I almost said engine bay, that would have been dumb. Because McLaren F1 does not have an engine bay in the front. Okay, and I just want to point out the other big difference. Well, I mean, obviously there's a lot of big differences between the two models. But let's take a look at the engine bay. So, yikes. Bit of a difference going on in here with the TSM. You can actually see through there. With the other guy, don't see anything. And here you can see all the tiny little hoses. Got some actual like metal hoses inside there. The windows to see through to the cockpit or the interior, but it's almost like a fighter jet, right? And yeah, this guy's got a big giant piece of plastic right there, and this header going straight through versus TSM. There's a whole lot going on in that engine bay. Anyways, guys, if you're familiar with this Guiloy brand, or is it Guiloy? It's gotta be Guiloy. Let me know. If you have a video of it, shoot it on over, or got some pictures, let me know. Or if you have some information, I'd like to know more about this brand. That's for sure. But what do you guys think? Did I get a good deal? I think it's debatable. If it wasn't a McLaren F1, I would not have paid $50 for it at this quality level. But I mean, it's a McLaren F1. It's so hard to get die cast on this stuff now. Anyways, guys, let me know what you've been finding. And as always, happy hunting.